Hello everyone. In future videos, we will learn about Ansible playbooks. After Ansible and NetApp modules installation, while running this first playbook, I came across this error. The Python NetApp module is required. This Python library is required in order to Ansible to be connected to NetApp on tap. So let's see how we can install this library. Go to internet and search for NetApp Lib. The first link you will see for NetApp Lib. This is a very simple installation which tells you that using pip you can install NetApp Lib. If you will read here, NetApp Lib is required for OpenStack and Ansible deployments to interact with NetApp storage systems. So let's copy and install the NetApp library in our environment. Pip install NetApp Lib. So you can see that NetApp library was successfully installed in our environment. So keep watching. Thank you.